Welcome, bienvenue. Want to learn some French? Here is a great opportunity for you to learn some French, learn
Agent.
about the Senegalese culture, and help us test a new way to learn language. You will be using cutting-edge web-based language learning technology, including 3D simulated immersion, language learning games, speech recognition, a powerful language search engine, an on-demand second language glossary, and much more. The course is filled with
Valise.
opportunities to hear French spoken by native speakers. Most of the images in the course will play audio when
C'est
clicked.
triste.
Let's get you oriented.
C'est difficile.
First up, navigating the site. The home link in the breadcrumbs takes you to where you first landed when you entered Islet. It is the site home page containing the initial pilot test introductory video, the link to the course homepage, system FAQs, site news, and general networking functionality, like online users, blog, messages, and help. This will be your landing point when you log on to Islet. French is where all the learning activities are located. Much of the functionality on the site homepage is also available on the course homepage for convenience. The French page gives you an overall outline of the course. You can click on Expand All to see all of the content in the course and hover over activities to get a summary of what they're all about. Note that you can see at a glance your overall progress in the course from the course homepage. There are 5 sections in the course that will help you prepare for the Islet mission game. The section entitled Bienvenue, where you are now, is a brief overview of the course and where you will receive your official military orders. After receiving your orders, you need to complete a tutorial on navigating in the game. Before getting started with your language learning journey, you need to complete the pre-deployment culture training, where you learn about the Senegalese people and their culture. Then in Unit 1, you will begin learning French. In Unit 2, you will continue to build your French skills and prepare for your 3D simulated arrival at the airport in Senegal. Finally, the Units 1 and 2 performance check will be a sort of final review activity to see if you have mastered the content. On the right-hand side of the course homepage, you will see who is online, a listing of the course leaders, those who have the overall highest score on all activities in the course, along with the featured glossary entry. Think of the featured glossary
Cheveux.
entry like a word of the day in French, except that you will see a new word each time you visit the course homepage.
Mieux.
It's a great way to continually expand your vocabulary. The menu bar gives you access to blog, messaging, and help from all pages in the course, as well as a course menu where you can see the latest site activity, see who else is enrolled in the course, view your grades, and manage your profile. You can also search course content at any time from any page. Should you have any difficulties using the site, please click on the Help link in the menu bar, and if you still have questions, ask us via the Provide Feedback link at the bottom of any page. Each time you visit one of the course pages, you will see that the breadcrumbs at the top left of the page reflects your location in the course. To navigate from page to page in the course, simply click the Next or Previous Activity links. The breadcrumbs are for navigating between activities at the course outline level. The activities themselves have internal navigation, which varies by activity type. For example, in order to post to a forum, you have to click Add a new discussion topic, or Reply. And in order to complete a quiz, you have to answer questions and submit your responses before clicking Next, or you will leave the current activity and skip to the next one in the course outline. You can also view all activities in a given section in the course by clicking on the section title link in the breadcrumbs. Now that you know how to get around the course, let's take a look at some of the key language learning features of the Islet system. First up is our powerful search engine. All of the content pages are indexed and searchable from anywhere in the course. The key language learning feature of our search engine is its ability to find variations of the search word or phrase anywhere in the course. In the beginning, you probably will not appreciate this feature, but later, once you are trying to learn the variations of a verb like to go, you will begin to
aller,
realize how useful this is and wonder why you weren't leveraging this capability earlier in your language learning journey. Next up is our on-demand second language glossary. From any content page, you can hover over words and phrases to see
Yeah.
definitions and listen to pronunciations. No need to search through the glossary, although you're welcome to do that as well. Note that some pages are tagged with glossary entries that you can visit for additional language practice. We've also integrated speech recognition into the course, not just for pronunciation practice. You will actually participate in simulated conversations so you can really practice your language skills. Finally, your language learning experience will culminate in a web-based 3D simulated immersive game where you arrive at the airport in Senegal and must pass through customs, get your bags, and find a driver to take you to your destination using the French you have learned in the course. Each time you first log into the course, you will be prompted to either play, connect, or continue. Clicking on play will take you to a page where you can try out your skills in the airport. Feeling adventurous? Go for it. Clicking on connect will take you to the course page so you can see who is online, see recent activity, message, blog, or cherry-pick activities. Clicking on continue will take you directly to the last page you were viewing when you closed your previous session. Now to set the scene. You are a U.S. Navy sailor about to deploy to Senegal. To be successful, you will need to know and understand the Senegalese people, their culture, and the French language before your mission begins. Clicking on Next will brief you on your mission. Have fun and give us your feedback on everything. Tell us what you liked, what you didn't like, what worked well, what didn't work, the components that were most useful or fun, and most importantly, let us know about your learning experience.